How to know if someone is a safe person. These are some things that I check in with myself about when connecting with others and evaluating whether they are trustworthy and safe people to let into my life. There's way more to this, obviously, but these are just a few things that I do that have really helped me to evaluate whether someone is safe or not. When you ask yourself questions about them and their character, already in your mind, when you pose questions like, would they betray me in this way by trying to hack my social media account? And you think to yourself, is there evidence of this behavior anywhere? And usually if they're a good person, you can answer those questions and be like, no, there's no actual evidence of this. So is this just me thinking of past situations and how it could happen again? And let's say for whatever reason, I'm still stuck in that thought, or whatever the thought may be, you just need that clarification from this person. And when you seek that clarification, you're not met with any sort of backlash. You're not met with any devaluation, any put down. You're met with kindness. You're met with genuine willingness to clarify and just reassure and be there for you. And simply put, there's just no confusion about anything after this interaction or after the communication. You're not left with any sort of mental fog, or you're not put into any sort of different mind frame other than reality. Number 2, there's no transactional form of this connection, meaning there's no expectation of getting or attaining something or a service in return, either financially, socially, whatever, like in terms of your body, whatever it may be. They do things because they genuinely want to and they care about you without the expectation of receiving anything in return. Number 3, you feel like you can breathe. There's no anxiety, there's no shortness of breath, there's no feeling of panic. You feel like you can breathe and there's no burning in your stomach, your neck, your chest, your throat, just that sensation of overwhelm. It's not there when you're around these safe people. You feel at ease and calm. And if you do feel overwhelmed, they'll sit with you and try to understand you and be there for you, not undermine you or, again, devalue you in any way, shape, or form. These are a few examples of how to know and feel if someone is safe. And these are some markers that I use to assess that. It's not foolproof, and a lot of it is discernment and intuition as well, but really, reflecting and taking note of not only how you are taking things in and processing what's happening, but also how your body's reacting, and really paying attention to that has been a huge marker in my progress and really making and setting boundaries. So I highly recommend.